How to convert BNB to Bitcoin on Binance. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert BNB to Bitcoin on Binance. First, open the Binance application on your mobile device. Then tap on Wallet located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Spot from the available options to access your spot trading wallet. After that, tap on Transfer to begin the conversion process. You will then need to select From and choose BNB as the currency you want to convert. In the To section, search for BTC to specify the currency you want to receive. Next, enter the amount of BNB you wish to convert to Bitcoin. Review the details of the transaction to ensure accuracy. If needed, you can also select another coin, such as ETH, and enter the amount to see alternative conversion options. Finally, confirm the transaction to complete the conversion from BNB to Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.